I get the shivers. I get the shivers. Be on my own again. Get ready for Let's have a bit of